Create your very own Timernator Clock Python program. Create his famous quotes from the movie Terminator 2, Judgment Day. Create the hours, minutes and seconds, along with how many weeks in 1 year to how many days there are in 1 year. Create 12-hour and 24-hour clock formats to create the look and feel of a real-life Timernator on your computer screen. Create month, day and date formats so you won't ever forget what time it is. Next, have fun learning what object-oriented programming language is all about with Python. Timernator Python program example, created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Try this fun Timernator Clock Python program example. Note, you must run the program from the operating system output screen via double-clicking the Python program file itself. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.